Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 60 Neo, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, you will want to first turn off your device by swiping down twice from the top of your screen, and then selecting the power button right over here and choosing power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume down at the same time, and let go of them when you have Bootloader show up. Now I do want to quickly mention, you could also try to use this as a Fastboot mode, even though if I were to select Restart Bootloader, it will bring me back here. It is labeled as Fastboot mode for some odd reason in this red text, which might be hard to see on a camera just because of the exposure. So I could maybe make it, there we go, a bit brighter. Hopefully this makes it a little bit better to see. So this is supposedly Fastboot mode, but just to demonstrate this, if I were to restart Bootloader, Bootloader is a different mode, it brings me back here. Now, there is one other Fastboot mode that we can go to. So to do that, we're going to select a recovery mode from here using volume buttons, and then confirm it using power button. And when you see this page right over here, hold the power button, and while holding it, press volume up once. This redirects us to the recovery mode, in which, if we use again volume buttons, we can find option called Enter Fastboot. Once it's selected, again, confirm it using your power button, and this will take us to a different Fastboot mode. In here we have a couple options like Reboot System Now, Enter Recovery, which is previous page, Restart Reboot to Bootloader, which is the first page we have seen after turning off the device, and simply power off. I'm going to stick with the first one, Reboot System Now, which brings us back to Android. So confirm it with the power button, and let's just wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.